Hello, my name is Joe Gallaher. I'm the owner of Gallaher Fleet Solutions. We're here at our Bessemer City location in Gaston County, North Carolina. I just want to give you guys a quick tour so you know what to expect when you come visit us at this location.
Come on in and check out our shop. So out here we have a 6-bay shop that we can work on any diesel powered commercial vehicle. So as you come in, you'll see the parts room over here where we're keeping a good supply of filters, so that way we can service all of your trucks from the basic filter maintenance and PM needs. We also have plenty of room to get your truck in the building. We have our mobile lift, so we can pick the truck up and work on the bottom of the truck, anything from a clutch or any driveline repairs, any type of suspension or chassis components, we can do those repairs as well. We obviously cover the basic preventative maintenance as your oil change, fill filters, any type of fluid change that you would need on your transmission, your differentials, your power steering. We do all type of AC and heater work. So anything from you have a freon leak that you need fixed all the way up to an electrical problem, and we can diagnose that as well. We specialize in all types of diesel engines that are in your road tractors, as far as your Volvos, Peterbilts, Freightliners, your Kenworths, any type of Mack or Volvo product is something that we can cover as well. We also work on the light duty side, like I said before, the Power Strokes, the Duramaxes, and the Dodge Rams. We do on the medium duty side, so if we have any type of bus, whether it's a passenger bus or an RV, we can service those as well. We work on any type of utility vehicle, so anything that is associated with power lines or utility companies, we can service their equipment. We work on light equipment repairs such as moffetts, mini excavators, skid steers, anything that you guys might use with your jobs when you're doing construction work. We do a lot of work on dump trucks or any type of flatbed, so we can service everything from the front of the truck to the back of the truck. That includes minor body repairs, any type of electrical, check engine lights, engine drivability or performance issues. We can work on transmissions, every make and model of transmission, from the basic service all the way up to taking it out, getting it rebuilt or repaired, and putting it back in the truck. So we're conveniently located in Gaston County, North Carolina, in Bessemer City. We are in between Lincolnton and Gastonia on Highway 279, conveniently 10 minutes from downtown Gastonia and 10 minutes from downtown Lincolnton. We're a short drive from Cherryville and Dallas, about 5 minutes from either one of those locations. So we are centrally located to serve the Gaston County businesses that need their trucks, trailers, or light equipment serviced by experts who know what they're doing.